Elon Musk, visionary, billionaire, and the man who seems to live on the edge of tomorrow, leads a life that's as extravagant as it is unconventional. With a net worth fluctuating around $386 billion as of early 2025, Musk could bathe in champagne and pave his driveway with gold bars, yet his version of luxury defies the typical billionaire playbook. Forget the predictable yachts and private islands. Musk's opulence is a wild blend of futuristic toys, sprawling estates, and a relentless pursuit of the extraordinary. Let's dive into the jaw-dropping details of how the world's richest man lives, works, and plays. The real estate empire. Musk's property portfolio is a roller coaster of excess and eccentricity. In 2020, he famously declared he'd sell almost all his physical possessions, tweeting, "I am selling almost all physical possessions, will own no house." But don't be fooled, this wasn't a vow of minimalism. Instead, it was a pivot to a different kind of luxury. By 2021, he'd offloaded a string of California mansions worth over $100 million combined, only to settle into a new kingdom in Austin, Texas, a sprawling 14,000-acre estate near Tesla's Gigafactory, reportedly purchased for $35 million. This isn't your average ranch. It's a playground for a man who dreams of colonizing Mars. Insiders say it's equipped with high-tech labs, a private airstrip, and enough land to test SpaceX prototypes without bothering the neighbors. Musk has hinted at living simply, once claiming he resides in a $50,000 prefab tiny home from Boxable. But let's be real, when you're Elon, even a tiny home comes with a catch. Rumors swirl it's tricked out with solar panels, AI-driven climate control, and a view of his private rocket testing grounds. Before Texas, Musk's Los Angeles real estate was pure Hollywood decadence. Take the Gene Wilder estate he owned, a $9.5 million Bel Air mansion with 5 bedrooms, a heart-shaped pool, and a legacy tied to * Willy Wonka *. Or the $17 million colonial-style pad with a 2-story library, home theater, and wine cellar. He sold these off, but not before living large in spaces that screamed old money glamour with a tech twist upgrade. And then there's the wild card, a reported $50 million compound in Boca Chica, Texas, near SpaceX's launch site. Locals whisper it's less a home and more a fortress, complete with security drones and a vibe that says this is where the future gets built. Musk's luxury isn't just about comfort, it's about control, proximity to his empires, and a canvas for his next big idea. The wheels and wings, Musk's garage is a shrine to speed and innovation. As Tesla's CEO, he's got access to the slickest electric beasts on the planet. His personal collection includes a Tesla Roadster, the original 2008 model he helped birth, capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. But the crown jewel, the Tesla Cybertruck, an all-electric stainless steel monster he's been spotted driving around Austin. With its angular exoskeleton and apocalyptic vibe, it's less a car and more a statement. Musk doesn't just travel, he conquers. He's not all about Tesla though. Musk owns a 1997 McLaren F1, one of only 106 ever made, bought for $1 million in the late 90s. With a top speed of 240 miles per hour, he famously crashed it, uninsured. Oops, but had it rebuilt. It's a relic of his early wealth, a reminder that even then he played hard. And let's not forget the James Bond connection. He snagged the Lotus Esprit submarine car from The Spy Who Loved Me for $1 million at auction in 2013, hinting he might turn it into a real submersible. Because why not? When the road isn't enough, Musk takes to the skies. His private jet, a Gulfstream G650ER, costs $70 million and boasts a range of 7,500 miles. Perfect for zipping between Tesla factories in Shanghai, SpaceX launches in Texas, and XAI meetings in San Francisco. In 2022 alone, he racked up over 150 flights, burning through $2 million in fuel. Critics call it hypocritical for a man pushing sustainable energy, but Musk shrugs it off. Time is money, and he's got planets to save. The toys of tomorrow. Musk's luxury isn't just material, it's experiential. While most billionaires flaunt Rolexes, Musk plays with rockets. SpaceX's Starship, a $3 billion project, isn't just a business venture, it's his personal ticket to the stars. He's been known to watch launches from a custom viewing platform, champagne in hand, as flames light up the Texas sky. In 2023, he tweeted about sleeping at the launch site during crunch time. Luxury for Musk is living where the action is. Then there's Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. Unveiled in 2022, it's not just a product, product, it's a glimpse into Musk's home life. He's teased having prototypes roam his properties, fetching drinks or tinkering in his labs. Imagine sipping coffee while a $20 million robot adjusts your solar panels. That's Musk's morning routine. And don't overlook Neuralink. Musk's brain-computer interface company isn't just sci-fi, it's personal. He's hinted at testing early implants himself, joking he'll think his next Tesla design into existence. Luxury here isn't a gold chain, it's merging man and machine. The family life. Musk's personal life is as lavish as it is chaotic. With 11 known children, as of 2025, from multiple partners, his family dynamic is a soap opera with a sci-fi twist. His on-again, off-again relationship with musician Grimes produced 3 kids with names straight out of a spaceship manual: XAEAC, Exa Dark Citadel, and Tau Techno Mechanicus. They've split, but Grimes has described their co-parenting as a fluid dance across continents, with Musk's jets making it possible. He's got twins and triplets from his first marriage to Justine Wilson, and more twins with Neuralink exec Siobhan Zillis. Musk's homes, wherever he's crashing, must be a whirlwind of nannies, tutors, and high-tech cribs. He's joked about building a family compound in Texas, and with his wealth, it's probably less a house and more a futuristic village. The extravagant eccentricities. Musk's lifestyle isn't all work and no play. He's thrown legendary parties, like the 2018 Tesla Bash with flamethrowers, yes, real ones from his Boring Company, and a guest list of Silicon Valley's elite. His 50th birthday in 2022 reportedly featured a medieval-themed rave at a European castle he rented, complete with VR gaming and a SpaceX rocket cake. His Twitter, now X habit is its own luxury, unfiltered access to his mind, where he drops bombshells like buying the platform for $44 billion in 2022. He's tweeted from private jets, Tesla factories, and even a submarine rescue mission in Thailand, living a life where every moment is a headline. Time, though, is Musk's ultimate indulgence. He works 100-hour weeks, sleeps on factory floors, and still finds hours to dream up hyperloops or taunt regulators. Luxury for him isn't leisure, it's the freedom to chase the impossible. The bottom line, Elon Musk's luxury lifestyle isn't about indulgence for its own sake, it's the inevitable byproduct of a mind constantly pushing the boundaries of possibility. His sprawling homes aren't just places to relax, they double as innovation hubs. His sleek cars, rolling test beds for the future of mobility, even his private jets and advanced tech gadgets aren't just status symbols, they're instruments for speed, efficiency, and progress. Musk could easily buy a fleet of yachts or an island paradise, but he'd rather invest in tunnel systems, brain-computer interfaces, or building a self-sustaining city on Mars. While others chase leisure, Musk chases legacy. He doesn't unwind with champagne on a yacht, he strategizes launch windows and manufacturing breakthroughs. For him, the greatest luxury isn't material, it's the ability to think big, act fast, and live on the bleeding edge of human potential. From remote Texas ranches to SpaceX control rooms, Musk lives in a world where billion-dollar gambles are routine. It's a lifestyle few can imagine and even fewer could endure. But for Elon, it's just another ordinary day at the edge of the extraordinary. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.